Hi everybody, I'm Dave Krejci, maintenance director here at the USS Cod, and I'd like to show you a short video on the follow-up to last week's video of this door threshold. I thought I wanted to flesh out a little bit more of the engineering details that weren't covered last week. So, talking about this beautiful stainless steel door, in Navy speak, it's known as a splash-tight door, and it is mounted on a stainless steel door casing made of formed sheet metal, 304 stainless to be exact. The only problem was, in 1959, somebody removed the bottom threshold piece down here. And Paul Ferrace, my boss, says, well, let's try to restore that back to original splendor. So the first thing I did was ask Ben, our curator, hey, do we have any blueprints on this door threshold or the casing itself? We have over 1,800 blueprints in our archives, more if you include the microfilm. He looked and looked and looked, nothing, no blueprints. So what did I do? I made my own blueprint. First, I took my old precision calipers, measured based on the side pieces and the upper piece, which is supposedly a mirror image. I took all my dimensions in thousandths of an inch, boiled them down to a conception based on this rough draft of my blueprint. And then from that, I come up with this beautiful blueprint that spells out all the dimensions and everything you need to know. So I went out and found a suitable machine shop who could do this kind of work. They have what's called a CNC press brake. That's a machine that can perform the same manufacturing process that originally made these door casing pieces. So, based just on this blueprint, now mind you, I'm not one to brag. I really am not. Heaven will tell you that. But based on just this blueprint, with no further interaction with the machinists, they manufactured the threshold piece. I brought it over here, and it fit like a glove. Also, they manufactured the riser piece, which was also missing, and the base plate. So I drilled the through holes in place to retain the alignment, bolted it all in place, and there it is. Originally, each piece was silver soldered, but we decided not to do that. That's part of the reason the edges on this existing side piece, they're so buggered up, because whoever removed the daggone threshold piece must have used a crowbar, or they must have chiseled it out, and it looked awful. It made it harder for me to get my dimensions, but I eventually did. I was able to work around that, and the resulting alignment and fitment, I think, is very passable. What do you think? If you like this engineering angle to our presentations of restoration, tell me in the comments. Until then, we'll see you next week.